In this video, we're going to see how to sort this table here by the column A. So we want to make sure that the names here appear alphabetically, which is obviously not the case right now. So on our macro here, what we need is potentially three main variables. The first one is to identify the worksheet we're going to be in. So here is the number 2. And we're going to identify here the last row and the last column of our table. First, we identify the worksheet. So as you can see, set WS sheet equals worksheets 2. So that's the position, number 2. And then we find the table limits, so the last row and the last columns. So all based on the first column and on the first row. And then we're going to sort the table based on the column A. So what we're doing here is actually selecting the range first. So that's why we're finding the limits of the table and the data. Then we say dot sort. And we're going to use the key number 1 with the range A1 here, and the order is xlAscending. Okay, and so by just starting the macro here, which I did, we're going to notice right away that all the names and the data have been sorted alphabetically according to what I needed, meaning from the column A.